I don't know if this gardening is going to end this winter or not. I'm sure it will. What I want to know is if I've got any turnips left. If I don't get them, I ain't gonna have none. So we might as well try to get them. We might as well try to get some turnips. I'll tell you what. I'm just gonna cut them off. We've got plenty of greens over, and I'll feed these to the chickens, maybe. Yeah, that's what I'll do. That's not big enough to take yet. All I can say is I like turnips. I like big turnips and little turnips. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these tops to the chickens after a while and let them have some turnip greens. Yes, sir. That's what we're gonna do. Yes, sir. Whoops. Yeah, I'm standing there. Little baby turnips, they ain't gonna make her. Not turnips, but radishes. They probably ain't gonna make it. I see one. Where'd it go? Here. That might make it. Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna pull all these. That's plenty. And we'll give them a chance to keep it growing. I'm gonna get a big handful of these right quick. And I'm gonna go feed the chickens. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is horses up there waiting on us. This is the first day of December. Radishes. Plenty of radishes. That's a turnip, rather. That's not radish. This is a turnip, radish. You can see right here. Radish right here. Turnips. More turnips. Whole bucket full. Take them, put them in. All right. First day of December.